Hello, welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'd like to spotlight one of our transit vans. This was with our fleet department, but it is available to any customer that would like to purchase it. And it's really nice about this van, it's a 15-seater, which I'll show you in a little bit. That's including the driver. This is a 350, and it also is all-wheel drive, which is really nice. As you can see, it does have the trailer hitch. So it does have a full trailer package, and you've got your backup sensors. These are basically crossroad sensors. Take a little quick look inside here. Really can't see too much, but the doors do lock. And as you can see, you got plenty of seats. So this is perfect for transporting people. You've got large groups you have to transport. And like I said, it's nice, it has a towing package. So if you have all these people and you have to tow a trailer behind it, for whatever they might have or anything, you've got it right here. This is kind of a hideaway. This is where you put your fuel. And you notice it does have the large windows all the way around the vehicle, which is really nice for the passengers. They don't have to feel like they're confined. And you have your extra large windshield, which makes visibility really good. And you've got your front sensors. And those are basically cross-traffic sensors. And it also has the sensors if you're going from side to side, and if you start getting close to the white line, it'll start beeping and let you know, or yellow line, whatever it might be, or traffic next to you too close. You can see it does have the running boards for stepping up inside. So you've got 13 seats in the back and 2 in the front. And you do have your air conditioning and heating vents up in the ceiling, lights all the way across the ceiling, and you have the handrails for getting in and out, which is really nice. You've got cup holders over on each side over there. As you can see, it is pretty basic. It is a van. One nice thing, a driver's seat does have an armrest. Bulkier controls right on the steering wheel, all within hand reach. Headlights are over here. You've got your cruise control, your radio, everything is right here. And also up here, you've got your air conditioning controls, which is nice. So you can control the temperature throughout the entire vehicle. Plus up here, you've got storage compartments, which is nice. You can put maps, which you really don't need anymore, but anything else you might need to put up here, be very handy. All right, let's take this for a little short test drive. First, I'd like to show you how the backup camera works. Put it in reverse. There you go. It lets you know when you're backing up to something. And it'll start beeping when you get very close. Then here, this shows you your side to side. If you go too far over, it beeps, or if somebody comes next to you, it's going to beep. I'll let you know. And this does have a 3.5 liter V6 engine in it, and it's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for a nice smooth drive. And a lot of the stuff that you need is going to be right here on this touchscreen. You have your maps, you have your audio on and off, add your cell phone to it. So I can put it to the sync system so your cell phone will be completely hands-free. Plus here on the dash you do have a USB port and a 12-volt. And as you can see, you've got plenty of cup holders. You got them here, you've got them on both sides in the corners. What I want to do up here is just show you a little bit of the acceleration and how it handles the curves. All right, let's just kick the speed up a little bit here. You see you got quite a bit of acceleration there if you have to get out of somebody's way. Like I said, this is a perfect transporter. All right, let's just take a couple little turns here. I always like to show basically how well these vehicles do hold the road. So once again, like I said, this was one of our fleet vehicles, but it's available to anybody. And if you have any concerns about any other commercial vehicles, you can contact our fleet department. So this is the end of our little demo here. I hope you gave some kind of good information. If you have any more, you can contact us at www.heritage.com or call us at 812-738-3284 and ask to talk to one of our sales specialists or the fleet department if you have any concerns about any other fleet vehicles you might have. And I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.